Assalamualaikum and hi. So now our group will present the application of linear algebra. Our group has chosen food as our theme. So we decide to apply the application of cross-Jordan elimination method in price of each dessert that were bought by 3 girls. So now let's look at the definition of linear algebra and cross-Jordan elimination method. First, linear algebra is a branch of mathematics concerning linear equation. Then the Gauss-Jordan elimination method means method that we use to solve linear equation. Let's hear about the history of algebra. Known as the father of algebra, he authored the compendious book on calculation by completion and balancing. The contribution to chemistry, astronomy, computing, and mathematics. So now let's look at the introduction of case study. Annie went to the bakery shop in the early morning with her friends Tasha and Sophia. She craved to eat soft cookies, brownies, and pavlova. She planned to buy 10 packets of soft cookies, 1 box of brownies, and 2 boxes of pavlova. The total price that she paid for those desserts is 150. Then Tasha also bought 5 packets of soft cookies and 3 boxes of brownies, and the total is 140, while Sophia bought 1 packet of soft cookies, 2 boxes of brownies, and 1 box of pavlova, and the total price is 88.
Okay, next we are move on to the problem statement for this case study. How much of the price for each type of the dessert, like a packet of soft cookies, a box of brownies, and a box of pavlova that has been bought by Aileen, Tasha, and Sophia. So, what is the purpose for this study? First one, to know the price for each type of the dessert, which are a packet of soft cookies, a box of brownies, and a box of pavlova. Second one is to find the matrices from the linear equation in the form of augmented matrix. The last one is to find the answer for the problem statement by using Gauss-Jordan elimination method.
For the methodology for this case is step 1. Assume that soft cookies, brownies, and pavlova as x, y, and z. Step 2. Produce the linear equation from the problem statement. And step 3. Change the equation into augmented matrix. So the word solution. Step 1. Assume soft cookies equal to x, brownies equal to y, and pavlova equal to z. And step 2. Write the equation. The first equation is 10x plus y plus 2z equal to 150. And the second equation, 5x plus 3y equal to 130. And third equation is x plus 2y plus z equal to 88. And step 3, change the equation into an augmented matrix. In R1, not have leading 1, so we need to change first. So we need to do some calculation. The calculation is 1 over 10. So the answer for R1 is 1, 1 over 10, 1 over 5, and 50. So we need to change row 2. So do some calculation. So the calculation is negative 5 R1 plus R2. So the answer is 0, 1 over 2, negative 1, and 55. So the row 2 has not leading 1. So we need to change row 2 for the leading 1. So the calculation is 1 over 5 over 2 R2. So the answer is 0, 1, negative 2 over 5, and 22. So the next step is we want to change row 2. So the calculation is negative R1 plus R3. So the answer is 0, 90 over 10, 4 over 5, and 73. So next we want to change row 3. So the equation is negative 90 over 10 R2 plus R3. So the answer is 0, 0, 39 over 25, and 5. So the next step is we want to change row 2 to leading 1. So the equation is 1 over 39 over 25 RT. So the answer is 0, 0, 1 and 20. So next we want to change matrix form to identity matrix. So we change row 1. The calculation is negative 1 over 10 R2 plus R1. So the answer is 1, 0, 6 over 25 and 64 over 5. So the next we want to change row 2. So the calculation is 2 over 5 R3 plus R2. So the answer is 0, 1, 0, 30. And the next step is we want to change R1. So the calculation is negative 6 over 35 R3 plus R1. So the answer is 1008. So we get the final answer is x equal to 8, y equal to 30 and z equal to 20.
As the result, after we solve the equation, we can find of how much of the price for a packet of soft cookies and a box of brownies and a box of pavlova. So a packet of soft cookies is actually RM 8 ringgit and a box of brownies is RM 20 ringgit and a box of pavlova is also RM 20 ringgit. As from our discussion, we can find how much of the price of a packet of cookies, a box of brownies and a box of pavlova using the Gaussian elimination methods. As for the conclusion, we know that linear algebra can be used in our daily life and it also can be used to find the price of each product that has been sold. And it also showed that we can produce a metric equation from the linear equation and it can be solved. That's all. Thank you.